Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to take a photo from any video inside CapCut. Let's get started. First, open CapCut on your computer and import the video into the timeline. Now wait a few moments while CapCut processes it and makes it ready for editing. Next, play through the video or scrub along the timeline until you find the exact moment you want to capture. When you reach that point, stop the video and keep the playhead right on that frame. Now look at the top right corner of the video preview window. You'll see a small icon with 3 horizontal lines. That's the menu. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select the option called Export Still Frame. CapCut will now ask you to name your new picture. You can keep the default name or type in your own custom name if you like. Once you've done that, click on the Export button. In just a second, CapCut will save the still image. You'll see it appear right inside your media library in CapCut, which means you can use it in your current project immediately. At the same time, the image is also saved to your computer's Downloads folder, so you can find it outside of CapCut as a regular picture file. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more CapCut tips and tricks.